Okay, so I took the pipe off and I looked at inside. I looked at inside with that metal heater element. I don't see any clog. I guess this thing just failed. Still a bunch of spider web that I cleaned the spider webs. But nope, the pipe seems okay. It just failed. This thing just failed. I stick it in, and then I don't see any. I don't see it's clogged. I'll probably get a wire and then stick it in and see what happens. Stick a wire in there. But anyway, I don't see anything like ridiculously bad. This thing is like 4 or 5 years old. Don't know why it just failed. Maybe I should just take that thing off. But I don't see anything in there. I don't see anything in there. Unless I pour some water. I gotta get this thing off. If I pour some water in there, see if this thing drips. See if the water goes through. Anyway, keep going.